If you're sailing on a Disney ship, Pirate Night is one of the most exciting and memorable events of the entire cruise. From the moment the evening begins, the whole ship transforms into a pirate celebration. Guests of all ages dress up in pirate costumes. Disney provides pirate bandanas in your stateroom, and you'll see everything from classic pirates to Disney-themed pirate outfits all around the ship. One of the first things you'll notice is the energy. The atrium, restaurants, and deck areas are filled with pirate music, themed decorations, and cast members getting into character. There's live performances, dancing, interactive moments with the crowd, and appearances from Disney characters dressed in their pirate costumes. Seeing characters like Mickey, Minnie, Donald, and Goofy in their pirate gear is a highlight for many guests. The party builds throughout the evening until the big finale. Depending on weather, the sailing conditions, guests can enjoy a spectacular fireworks show at sea. Disney is one of the few cruise ships that regularly offer fireworks from a ship, and watching them launch over the ocean while pirate music plays is definitely an unforgettable experience. My biggest tip is to arrive on the deck early if you want a good viewing spot for the show and fireworks. Also, don't rush back to your room afterward. The ship stays lively with music, themed entertainment, and guests celebrating long after the fireworks ended. The Pirates Rockin' Parlay Party is a high-energy deck show filled with music, dancing, special effects, and appearances from your favorite Disney characters. The crowd participation is a huge part of the fun, so don't be surprised if everyone around you is dancing and singing along. Overall, Pirate Night is much more than just a costume party. It's a full ship event with special dining, exclusive character appearances, an incredible deck show, and spectacular fireworks that turn one evening of your cruise into a memory you'll probably talk about long after the vacation is over. This is one of the most exciting nights at sea aboard your wonderful vacation on a Disney ship. So join me as I experience Pirate Night aboard the Disney Wish.